Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for input field or text box. Input box or text box, you can able to say our input field and text box field also is fine. We show okay how we can able to handle by using for playwright administration. Okay, and for this I'm going to write one function. Use for text box. Okay. And then I'm going to use it for browser launching. And here it is Mercury is there, but I'm going to choose for this particular one. Okay, and now here. Okay, first thing we can able to fill text box value. We need to fix like filling this particular text box. We have so many things and we can able to use for any of them. Okay, I'm going to inspecting in this particular element. Okay, once you see this element, there is a ID it is presented. Based upon the ID, we can able to how many ways we can able to fill a value. Okay, now I'm going to take the value field here. Okay, and then I'm going to use for a page dot allocator page dot locator, and here I can provide for CSS selector first, a dot, a fill sync. Okay, there's a one kind of page. Okay, and second case you can able to do for a wait page dot a fill sync. Okay, and then ID. This is my locator, and then I'm going to specifying a value of that. Okay, this is another kind of. Both the cases will work as expected. Okay, it will work as expected. Whether it will work as expected or not, and end of this place we need to see whether it will enter both the values or not. Okay, now this is my sixth test case. The location is enter. It got passed. Okay, both the values are matched out. Right, it is able to enter. Now we can able to take for another way. Okay, these are both the cases. Maybe you are not able to see that this value. I'll run for one more time. See, location also. What will happen, right? It will clear and it will enter one more time. Because of that, maybe you are not able to identify that what exactly it will return and value. Okay. And second case, okay, another different way we can able to enter. How means await page dot a type sync type dot type sync. Okay, and you can copy this value and paste it. Type async also to filling the value inside the text box field. Okay, by default it will take wait for timeout and then it will do it. Okay, then we can check whether it will enter or not. See, it is able to enter. Okay, both the cases same. By using for fill async place, you can use for type async also. Okay, both are work. Type is basically a old version's function, and fill is a new function. Fill. Okay, and in case if you want to clear a text from uh, any text box, then how you can able to do. This is my first test case to be a filling, and second one is to be a clear that particular thing. We can able to use it like this, okay, or you can I think clear function is deprecated. Only click and double click is there, and we can able to use this is the one as empty for that particular text box field. Okay. Now this is basically a clearing a text from that. It is entered and it is cleared. This went very fast, right? We can give some time to see whether it is entered or not. Location is entered and it is cleared the text. Okay. Both the cases perfectly. Okay. And another way we can able to use for focus on specific web element, and then we can able to enter a text value. Then how you can able to do focus we need to do, right? Before that we can able to use for here, sorry, and this particular one focus async. Focus async, it will say that it will first click and then like focus a particular one, and then it will use for value to a type. Okay. And click functionality also we can able to use once we click, and then we can able to do. Okay. Sometimes we need to wait, some suggestions will come and then we can able to enter, that also we can do. Okay. Some field validations and any kind of things we can able to use. And also there is a event triggering. Okay. Triggering for input, events triggering, that is also one kind of thing. Okay. But we'll see how this input uh, things will work. A simple way I'm going to explain. Await a page dot dis dispatched event sync, dispatched event sync. Okay, if you mouse over, this is basically a snapshot below for the element. Regardless of the visibility state of the element, click the dispatch, and this equality calling for the element dot click. It will do for element.click functionality type. Okay. Once you provide the dispatch event, and it will go and find that particular one to click, and then it will go for anything to be done. Okay. Now here I'm going to use for uh, my path is this one. Okay. I'm going to use for my path, and then my type is input, because you can see here input is my field one. Okay. And then we need to do set of value, because this one it will dispatch is basically a clicking the element, right? Clicking one. But I don't want to click for that, but I want to enter a value into that particular location. Then we can able to use for new uh, dictionary, and I'm going to specify for a string comma object, string comma object, and here I need to specify a value For non-generic derivation, stream comma object. Okay, we'll see this one. I think it is entered or something. This is one of the critical one, not able to work as expected, but it is also touch pointer and drag event and events. It is providing this patch one element dot click option. The modified unit element dot click functionality. The source of that and dragging starting the point, and they will even. Okay, no issue. Okay, these are the things we can able to perform all the operations. Okay, in for the text box. I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.